a burp sounds like in a porta potty here, Sam. Just let them see you burp.
I'm right here.
Okay, burp really loud.